a lesson. If I recall correctly, I think they had one chance, one transition. Okay, it's a lesson, but there's so many positives from the setup. I thought a lot of young players got the exposure. At least now we've got the information where to improve, where to go from there. For me, that was the biggest lesson. It could have been good to finish at home with a win, but I still think it's still positive going into the next season.
Yeah, you look at this season, small margin journey between what we, I guess, up until the last 2 months or so, thought was going to be a season of great success in terms of trophies for Orlando Pirates. Still, though, plenty of improvement, plenty of elevation that has happened this campaign for Pirates. How do you reflect on 2024-2025?
I thought there's a lot of positives than negatives. If you look at our team from the gap perspective, from us competing in Africa, just one moment, semi-final CAF, you could have gone into the final and maybe win it. Nedbank, you go into the final. I don't think there's any team that has introduced so many youngsters in their setup. For me, that's a big positive. So many players are in the national team. Selepi, who was a ball boy 3 months ago, now in the national team. For me, lots of positives. I just wish we grow from here and become better.